अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद है तमाम व्यूवर्स और स्टूडेंट्स खैर आफियत से होंगे। क्लास मैट्रिक के जो केमिस्ट्री है उसके बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़ हैं जो कि पेपर में आने के चांसेस हैं इंशाल्लाह। तो वो आपके सामने इस वीडियो में ज़ाहिर हो रहे हैं, नज़र आ रहे हैं। तमाम स्टूडेंट्स ने इन एमसीक्यूज़ को ध्यान से पढ़ना है और अपने पास नोट करना है और पेपरों में इनको अच्छे तरीके से करके आना है ताकि बेहतरीन से बेहतरीन नंबर आ जाएं, जो कि 15 मार्च 2025 से आपके 9 मैट्रिक के पेपर कराची में स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं। तो टाइम वेस्ट किए बगैर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, विच स्टेटमेंट इज़ ट्रू फॉर अ फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन? ए, इट इज़ ऑलवेज डायरेक्टेड from right to left in a chemical reaction. B, product produces reactant. C, initially rate is fast but gradually slows down. D, all of them. So option C is correct. Initially rate is fast but gradually slows down. Number 2, which one is not a reversible reaction? A, evaporation. B, melting. C, freezing. D, combustion. Option D is correct. Number 3, a reversible reaction containing A, 1 process, B, 2 processes, C, 3 processes, D, 4 processes. Option B is correct, 2 processes. Number 4, if Kc is larger than I, then reaction is A, in equilibrium, B, reverse reaction, C, forward reaction, D, none of them. Option C is correct. Number 5, the unit of Kc for reaction N2 plus O2 is equal to 2NO. A, mole decimeter inverse cube. B, mole inverse square dm power 6. C, mole inverse dm cube. D, no unit. Option D is correct, no unit. Number 6, which of these are reversible reactions? A, condensation. B, evaporation. C, condensation and evaporation. D, none of them. Option C is correct, condensation and evaporation. Number 7, the reaction rate depends on the concentration of the A, reactants, B, products, C, temperature, D, both A and B. Correct option is A, reactants. Number 8, corrosive effect on skin is caused by A, acid, B, base, C, salt, D, both A and B. Option A is correct, acid. Number 9, pH value is greater than 7, then solution is A, acidic, B, basic, C, amphoteric, D, neutral. Option B is correct, basic. Number 10, substances that react with both acids and bases are called A, conjugate acids, B, conjugate bases, C, amphoteric substances, D, buffers. Option C is correct. 11, it is utilized in the soap and paper industries. A, HCl, B, H2SO4, C, NaOH, D, CaOH2. Option C is correct. Number 12, it is used in the production of fertilizers. A, silver bromide, B, calcium chloride, C, ammonia, D, calcium hydroxide. Option C is correct. Number 13, according to Bronsted-Lowry theory, a base A produces hydrogen H plus ions, B produces hydrogen H minus ion, C donates a proton H plus ion, D accepts a proton H plus. Option D is correct. Number 14, which one of these has pH more than 7? A, acidic salts, B, basic salts, C, neutral salts, D, none of these. Option B is correct. Number 15, polythene is A, oil, B, paper, C, plastic, D, wood. Option C is correct. 16. Acetic acid is obtained from A. banana, B. dates, C. garlic, D. ginger. Option D is correct. Number 17. Alkenes A. show the same general formula as alkynes. B. have carbon-carbon triple bond. C. have carbon-carbon double bond. D. are saturated hydrocarbons. Option C is correct. Number 18. In organic compounds after carbon, the most frequently used element is A. hydrogen, B. oxygen, C. nitrogen, and D. sodium. Option A is correct, hydrogen. Number 19. Which one of these statements is true? A. organic compounds are insoluble in water. B. non-polar organic compounds are soluble in benzene. C. none of these. D. all of these. Option D is correct. Number 20. The rate of reactivity of organic compounds is A. fast, B. moderate, C. slow, and D. very slow. Option D is correct. Number 21. More than dash organic compound carbon compounds exist. A. 1 million, B. 3 million, C. 5 million, D. 10 million. Option D is correct. Number 22. It is the capacity of atoms to build long chains and huge rings by linking with other similar atoms. Option A. homologous, B. isomerism, C. catenation, D. saturated. Option C is correct. 23. Pulses and beans are high in A. vitamins, B. proteins, C. oils, D. fats. Option B is correct. Question number 24. Glucose is A. vitamin, B. protein, C. carbohydrate, D. lipid. Option C is correct. 25. What is true about a peptide? A. it is a protein, B. it is an anhydrate of carboxylic acids, C. it is an anhydride of an amine, it is a polyamide. Option C is correct. 26. Fats are solids at A. ordinary room temperature, high temperature, B. C. higher than 50 centigrade temperature, D. NOT. Option A is correct. Question number 27. Majority of carbohydrates are sweet in taste, so they are also called A. saccharides, B. ketoses, C. pentoses, D. aldoses. Option A is correct. Question number 28. It is also known as blood sugar. A. fructose, B. sucrose, C. glucose, D. lactose. Option C is correct. 29. It helps in cholesterol reduction and blood pressure regulation. A. carbohydrates, B. proteins, C. lipids, and D. fatty acids. Option A is correct. 30. It promotes peristalsis in the intestine. A. starch, B. cellulose, C. glucose, D. fructose. Option B is correct. 31. Second highest layer of Earth's atmosphere is A. stratosphere, B. mesosphere, C. troposphere, D. thermosphere. Option B is correct. 32. Second most abundant constituent of dry air in terms of volume after nitrogen is A. nitrogen, B. oxygen, C. carbon dioxide, D. helium. Option B is correct. 33. Which of the following is the reason of global warming? A. Presence of sulfide. B. Rise in CO2 concentration. C. Oxides of nitrogen. And D. Formation of ozone. Option B is correct. 32. 34. The Earth's atmosphere is divided up into dash major layers. A3, B4, C5 and D6. Option C is correct. 35. The lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere is A. Stratosphere, B. Mesosphere, C. Troposphere and D. Thermosphere. Option C is correct. 36. The waste or exhaust products produced by the burning of fossil fuels and organic materials are referred to as A. Primary pollutants, B. Secondary pollutants, C. Both A and B, D. None of them. Option A is correct. 37. Number 37. Which of the following waterborne diseases is of viral origin? A. Typhoid fever, B. Polio, C. Dysentery, D. Diarrhea. Option D is correct. Number 38. How much percentage of the Earth's surface is covered with water? A. 70%, B. 60%, C. 90%, D. 75%. Option A is correct. 39. Water is A. Polar solvent, B. Non-polar solvent, C. Amphipathic solvent, and D. Non-polar charged solvent. Option A is correct. 40. What percentage of water on the earth is salt water? A. 30%, B. 70%, C. 87%, D. 97%. Option D is correct. 41. It is known as the universal solvent. A. Sulfuric acid, B. Nitric acid, C. Water, D. All of these. Option D is correct. 42. An agreement between a measured value and the accepted true value. A. Error, B. Accuracy, C. Precision, D. All of these. Option B is correct. 43. Spectroscopy is the interaction of light with A. Liquid, B. Solid, C. Gas, D. Matter. 44. It is the repeatability of a result and is known as the degree of exactness. A. Precision, B. Error, C. Accuracy, D. Parameter. 45. Interaction of matter with radiation energy as a function of wavelength or frequency is called A. HPLC, B. Chromatography, C. Conductometry, D. Spectroscopy. Option D is correct. 46. Soap is the term for a salt of A. Carboxylic acid, B. Citric acid, C. Sulfuric acid, D. Fatty acid. Option D is correct. 47. The harvesting is the most important step of A. Preparation of soap, preparation of cold drinks, C. Preparation of sugar, and D. Preparation of medicines. Option C is correct. 48. Which of the following is used as jet fuel? A. Kerosene oil, B. Diesel oil, C. Fuel oil, D. Petrol. Option A is correct. 49. It is mild, moisturizing and gives a low creamy lather. A. Animal fats, B. Plant oils, C. Caustic soda, D. Potassium hydroxide. Option B is correct. 50. It causes saponification and is an essential ingredient in soap making? A. Citric acid, B. Lime, C. Silica, and D. Caustic soda. Option D is correct. तो तमाम स्टूडेंट्स इन MCQs को अच्छे तरीके से इनके प्रैक्टिस करें, इनके ऑप्शंस को अच्छे तरीके से याद करें। इंशाल्लाह यही आपके केमिस्ट्री मैट्रिक क्लास का जो पेपर है यही MCQs आएंगे। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा और कमेंट भी कीजिएगा। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।